Depression is the inability to construct a future. There are wounds that never show on the body that are deeper and more hurtful than anything that bleeds. Depression is like a bruise that never goes away, a bruise in your mind. You just got to be careful not to touch it where it hurts. It's always there though. Behind every sweet smile, there is a bitter sadness that no one can ever see and feel. When you're happy, you enjoy the music, but when you're sad, you understand the lyrics. Some people feel like they don't deserve love. They walk away quietly into empty spaces, trying to close the gaps of the past. What the caterpillar calls the end of the world, the master calls a butterfly. Good humour is a tonic for mind and body. It is the best antidote for anxiety and depression. It is a business asset. It attracts and keeps friends. It lightens human burdens. It is the direct route to serenity and contentment. We must understand that sadness is an ocean, and sometimes we drown, while other days we're forced to swim. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keep out the joy. Man is fond of counting his troubles, but he doesn't count his joys. If he counted them up as he ought to, he would see that every lot has enough happiness provided for it. Don't try to solve serious matters in the middle of the night. There are moments when I wish I could roll back the clock and take all the sadness away, but I have a feeling that if I did, the joy would be gone as well. So I take the memories as they come, accepting them all, letting them guide me whenever I can. My dark days made me strong, or maybe I already was strong, and they made me prove it. There is no standard normal. Normal is subjective. There are 7 billion versions of normal on this planet. Every man has his secret sorrows which the world knows not, and oftentimes we call a man cold when he is only sad. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. We are not our trauma. We are not our brain chemistry. That's part of who we are, but we're so much more than that. Be dedicated to change the way in which people see mental illness at all levels of society. If not for yourself, advocate for those who are struggling in silence. I saw the world in black and white instead of the vibrant colours and shades I knew existed.